Hey my loves, so welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup reset where I go through my makeup and rearrange my makeup, reorganize. I'm going through my makeup brushes, and I also will be going through my press-on nails and doing a little declutter. I also picked up a new makeup cart, so if you guys want to see how I reorganize my makeup, just keep on watching. Some parts of this video I will be doing a voiceover, and then I will come in and talk to you all. So I will be going back and forth. Right here, I'm just explaining to you guys where I got this makeup cart. Well, it's going to be a makeup cart, but it is a rolling cart. I got it from Home Goods. The Home Goods was attached to a Marshall's, and I got it at the bathroom section. It's from Beano. It was $39.99. I love Beano. They have amazing makeup organizers, and I was hoping they will make something like this in the near future. So basically, I'm going to be taking all of my makeup that is in my makeup organizers, which I will show you guys in a minute. I'm taking all of that makeup and putting all that makeup on this utility cart. And basically, these are my foundations, primers, setting powders, pressed powders. I'm taking all of that makeup, and as you guys can see right here, I'm going to be putting it on this here cart. If you like watching makeup organizing videos, I did go ahead and make a playlist for all of my makeup reset videos. This is number 4. So if you guys want to watch 1, 2, and 3, I will have it linked down below. Did get rid of some of those halo foundations, and then I just put everything else here. So these are like my foundations, and some may or may not stay. And down here, these are all of my setting powders. Put my concealers and my primers down here. I really wanted to maybe put my concealers with my powders and then put my primers and my setting sprays together. So that was the goal, but I have way too many setting powders. Like, what is that about? So I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can maybe try to do that. But then I have way too many concealers, and all of it's not gonna fit up here. It's good to have your makeup stored so it can look cohesive and look well put together, but that's not well put together, so we're gonna fix that. So what I'm gonna do is take my face palettes and put them in that drawer over there. I do have a mini Target haul, so I want to share with you guys what I got. I did pick up the EOS Vanilla Cashmere body lotion. The only reason why I picked this up is because my hands were super duper ashy in Target, so I didn't want to be that person to open the lotion, put it on, and put it back on the shelf. So I just picked this up, and I didn't have any more of this, so I just went ahead and got that. I did pick up some Dove soap, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum, and I've been wanting this for a while, but I didn't want to pay $20 for it, so I just went ahead and got it while I had a gift card. Yeah, I've been using it already, so far so good. So yeah, I got that. I also picked up a new foundation. I picked up the L'Oreal True Match. I've tried this years ago. I think this, right? They changed the packaging. I got the color W9, so we shall see, but I'm excited to try it. So I will be doing like a full face of drugstore again, or full face of new makeup. I actually forgot it was in this bag, to be honest, so I'm happy it has a pump, so I have that. Pick up the Maybelline Shadow Block. I don't know why I picked this up, child. You lying. I know you lying. Girl. And it had the nerve to be, I want to say this was $10. Why did I pick this up? Because, first of all, I thought this shadow was going to be the whole block. And it's not. It's more packaging than anything. That just pissed me off. I did pick up the new NYX, the Marshmallow Setting Spray. I wanted to pick this up, but then I changed my mind. And then when I seen this in Target, it was only one left. And I saw that it was a matte finish. So I went ahead and I picked it up. So I'm excited to try it because I like marshmallow scent. So I hope it's like a toasted marshmallow scent. So I haven't smelled it yet. And then the last thing that I got far as beauty from Target is the Sonia Kashuk eye brush set. This was on sale. I wish it was a little cheaper, but I don't mind paying money for Sonia brushes because I've been using these for years, like 6-7 years now, and I don't mind paying for it. It was on sale, but it could have went down a little bit more, like $7. That's everything I got from Target, so I just want to share that with you guys so I can get it off the floor. But yeah, I will be trying, you know, those drugstore products out. But let me show you guys what I did so far. So I put my face palettes in here, so I just need to clean off my vanity and go from there. And then this is what it's looking like so far. As far as it being empty, and this part right here, I'm going to put some more makeup brushes and then organize my nails. So I'm excited. Everything is kind of coming together. I might put my vanity mirror back on my makeup cart because that's where it was before. So right now I'm just going through my press-on nails and keeping the ones that I want. And I'm also putting the ones that I don't want in a bag so people can go through them. So I'm happy with what I kept. And in the next clip, you guys will be seeing me going through my makeup brushes. And I got rid of a lot of brushes, but I still have a lot of brushes. So it's like I really didn't get rid of much, but I really did. So this is the final results. I did go ahead and put my mirror back on my makeup cart. And like I said, I got rid of a lot of brushes and I organized my brushes. And I'm happy with the outcome. I love the way my press-on nails are organized. And I went ahead and cleaned off my vanity. You guys, I am getting some contact paper. I have some in my Amazon cart, and we are going to contact paper my vanity desk because as you guys can see, it's all chipped and ugly. I don't like the way it looks. And I separated all of my Real Technique brushes, so those are all together. And yeah, so this is the completed look, and this is my makeup cart. And I love the way it looks. I have my foundations at the top. And then the second row, I have my setting powders, my concealers, and my pressed powders. I was able to fit it all together. And at the bottom, I have my setting sprays and my primers. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I just wanted to do like a quick makeup reset for the new year. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.